Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Avengers poster in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. Set the width to 27 inches and the height to 40 inches, which is a common poster size. Ensure your resolution is 300 pixels per inch for a crisp, clear print. Finally, choose a black background color to begin building your epic scene. Now, let's bring in our heroes. Import your favorite Avengers character images into your document. Use layer masks to carefully blend each character into the scene, ensuring smooth transitions. Next, add a powerful background image, perhaps a futuristic city or a cosmic battleground, to set the mood. Adjust the size and position of each character to create a visually striking and dynamic composition. To make your poster truly pop, we'll enhance the visuals. Apply consistent color grading across all layers to unify the entire image. Introduce dramatic lighting effects, like subtle lens flares or glowing energy, to highlight key areas. Utilize adjustment layers for fine-tuning contrast and vibrancy, making colors more impactful. Finally, add subtle smoke or dust effects to give your poster an extra layer of realism and depth. For the finishing touches, let's add some text. Select a bold and impactful font that complements the Avengers theme for your poster's title. Position the title prominently, usually at the top or bottom, ensuring it's easily readable. You might also add a compelling tagline or a fictional release date to complete the look. Take a final review of your entire poster, making any last-minute adjustments to ensure everything is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.